Hi everyone, so I'm in my studio right now and I am dropping my limited edition silk scarf. This is 24 by 24 inches and it is one of my most popular prints that I've turned into this lovely silk scarf. I find this particular portion of the scarf interesting because it has some very classic pattern to it, which is reminiscent of a Royal Albert motif. There's also a very nice Wedgwood blue trim to it with just a little delicate white line inside of that. So it really makes the colors pop. And because of its subtle coloring and the ornate details on the teacup, let me just try to get you a close up here. It kind of gives some vintage vibes to the scarf. It's very, very soft, very, very flowy. This has been a beautiful and popular gift idea for people who love art and more of a practical way to display art. So I like folding this and choosing which color I want to have on display. So you can fold it in this way so that it is mostly a floral. There's so many ways to wear a scarf. You can keep folding it like this and wear it in a traditional fashion, like so, with a blazer. You could wear it in your hair as a bandana. It has a little more of a cutesy vibe to it. Of course, you can pull it tight and use it as a scarf for your ponytail as well. You can wear it as an accessory on your belt or even on your bag. Don't wait too long because these are limited edition.